Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Shoni here. So I am going to be exploring this place called Sankeien Gardens. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Come along with me. I'm with Staesha G.
Hi guys. Ooh, I look cute.
Okay, Miss Conceited. Yeah, so gonna explore. No coronavirus gonna stop us from exploring Japan. A joke. We don't even have any mask. That's so irresponsible of us.
Sometimes you have to choose being cute
What?
and over your life.
What?
Yeah.
No.
This is cute.
We have to pay 700 yen to get into this place. 700 yen. So after we enter this garden, this is what our view is like. I think if we come back in April, it's probably gonna look a lot prettier because of the cherry blossom season. But for now, this is what the trees are looking like. I'm hearing a cat. Oh, cat. That cat is so fat. Hi, cutie. Okay. Oh, there's a bathroom. What is hill though? What the hell?
So we're going up a huge hill, and she's in heels.
Yes. Your fault.
How is it my fault?
You said dress up so we can take
I
pictures.
mean,
And then you come
dress
in what
up.
kind of shoes?
Dress up doesn't necessarily
Alright.
need to be in heels though.
Whatever.
You know? When I said dress up, I mean dress up more than you did the last time I saw you when we hung out.
Yeah, because I'm a simple girl, you know. I said it up there. Wait, let me see. Nope. Let's try this. The
What?
camera though. Up here. Yeah. We've gotten here about 10 minutes and we've been walking and I'm tired, really tired. I'm in heels.
Tired?
Yes, I'm tired. In
Tired
heels.
from what?
From all this walking uphill, downhill. Oh, some foreigners. Okay, rewind. Okay then. We are leaving the park right now. It's super cold. Our fingers are freezing off. But yeah, it was a good little adventure, you know. When I look one way, it was so great. You say I said them foreigner, yeah, them frightening. Post to the sign there. Okay guys, so we're in Landmark Tower and I'm going to go to the place that I went for my birthday so we can go eat something.
I'm so hungry.
Yes, we only had breakfast and it's what time now? About 5 o'clock.
It's 5:16.
Yeah. I came here 2 months ago for my birthday and I'm back again. This is an Italian restaurant.
This is for bread.
Okay. I got beef lasagna and what did you get?
I don't remember.
This chicken thing. Chicken
something. I don't remember. I can't pronounce the word. It's pretty bad for a teacher of language. But
It's an Italian restaurant, so you get a pass. Yeah.
I wasn't going to say that, but that's a very good excuse too.
So chicken something and I got lasagna.
I know that I got mashed potato.
What a little piece of mashed potato.
I was just about to say that the serving is definitely Japanese, but I'm trying to lose some belly fat, so I guess this forces me to watch my portion size.
Okay. We done. Belly full and beer things. We have finished eating. Yeah, how was it?
I enjoyed my food.
How would you rate it out of 10?
8. I think out of 10 I would give it 8.
Why? Okay, sure. Thank you. Yeah.
So I would give it an 8 out of 10. I think that something was salty. I don't know what it was. It wasn't the chicken.
Yeah, because the chicken was very fresh.
I think it was
more
either the
seasoning.
mashed potato or the vegetables or something. Some sauce or something was there. But it was good. And this wine is the Lavano.
I had oranges. Whatever, the healthy way.
Okay.
I got lasagna and I would give it like an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because, well, it tasted good, but I think, you know, maybe could have had a little pepper. But no, people don't normally put pepper in a lasagna.
But I mean, you're from Jamaica, so
Yeah.
we use the seasoning.
Yeah, but it was good, or maybe because I was hungry, that's why. But anyways, we ordered dessert, so we're waiting on that to come. And it's her birthday on Monday.
What's your name?
Staesha.
Staesha, happy birthday!
And some food.
Thank you. You feel like I'm gonna cry?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
That was the best thing ever. I wonder if somebody want to pay my bill.
Yeah, go too far now. The night view.
See? You don't go in there and threaten me.
Nobody see that. We're about to head home, you know. Yeah. Gonna be my vlog, you know. Yeah, we're in the bathroom, idling. Don't wanna go home.
Like this lighting right here, I need this lighting set up in my home, like for makeup and things like that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, the lighting is pretty good in here. Okay, so we just left the restaurant and we're going to we are going to head home. So please remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you like it. All right, see you next time. Bye.